Hi, Deufol. How much will that cost?
Obviously, that's important to everybody that's watching this. We're all trying to keep an eye on our bottom line. And our videos previously kind of led up to this one um, because, frankly, each method has a different cost to it. If you're going to skid something and VCI shrink it, it'll obviously be less expensive than if you're going to fully box something, also with the VCI shrink. So basically, when we quote something, we almost have an a la carte menu, like in a restaurant, because you can have combinations of packing. If you're going to put something in a container, maybe it's better to just skid it and VCI shrink wrap it. If it's going to be a break bulk piece, it's going to go on the deck of a ship. You're going to need full packing. You're going to need the extra heavy duty VCI poly, maybe even a cover on the top. So there are a lot of mitigating factors that when you call us, we'll talk through this with you. And that's the best thing to do, really, is if there are questions, if you have concerns, you can reach out to us and we can work through these costs with you. Thank you.